Good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you about qualifying for a mortgage. The purchase of a single-family home is usually the largest single purchase made by Americans during the course of their lifetime. Before you can purchase a home, it is strongly suggested you look into your ability to qualify for a mortgage to help you pay for the home. There are a significant number of factors taken into consideration by financial institutions when underwriting a mortgage. The first thing they look at is as to whether you're employed. The underwriters of mortgages at financial institutions are interested in your employment history. They are especially interested as to whether you are currently employed. The underwriters may want detailed information about the capacity in which you are self-employed, if self-employed. If you're working for a company or a business, they're going to ask you questions as to how long you've had the position, what were your prior positions. It is especially important that you maintain good records concerning your past 3 years' tax returns, bank statements, checking account statements, savings statements, pay stubs, and other material necessary to verify your employment history and financial circumstances. If you are looking to obtain a conventional mortgage, most banks will loan you up to 80% of the cost of the house. This means you will have to come up with a down payment of up to 20% of the funds on your own. In cases where you have a problematic credit history, you may need to put down more than 20% of the cost of the house as a down payment. Closing costs. There are numerous closing costs related to buying a home in New York. There are bank fees, there are underwriting fees, there are points payable to the bank, there are attorney fees for your attorney and the attorney for the financial institution. There is the prepayment of taxes on the house. There is the payment of casualty insurance on the house. You will have to reimburse the seller for all of the oil in the oil tank. In addition, there are numerous other types of closing costs you may experience. It is estimated that closing costs in New York will run anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 to purchase a home. You should carefully look into the closing costs with the attorney representing you on the real estate transaction. Credit scores. The financial institution will order a credit report. You should obtain a copy of your credit report in advance. In the event there is inaccurate information on your credit report, you should immediately take action to correct this. In the event your credit score is not high enough to meet your bank's requirements to obtain a mortgage, there are a variety of things that you can do to boost your credit rating prior to submitting a mortgage application. The mortgage loan application process. The process of obtaining a mortgage loan can be aggravating for the prospective homeowners. Financial institutions currently are asking for significant amounts of information from a prospective homeowner to determine whether they are a good risk and have the ability to repay their mortgage loan. Hopefully this article will open your eyes as to the various areas you should be looking into before contacting a financial institution and starting the process of trying to obtain a mortgage.